Hi, I'm Alisa. Welcome back to our class. Today we are learning something super useful for cafes, libraries, airports, or meetings. How to ask, "Can I sit here?" in Chinese. You will also learn how to describe what's around you, like what's on the table or on the chair next to you. These are real everyday phrases that will help you feel comfortable and well in China. Alright, let's jump in. Repeat after me. These are words you will use all the time. 能坐这儿有电脑和 Nice. Now let's put these words into real sentences. When you want to ask if a seat is taken, 这儿有人吗? It means, is this seat taken? 没有，请坐。No, please sit. Asking for permission. 我能坐这儿吗? It means, can I sit here? 请坐。Please, describing what's on the table. 桌子上有一个电脑和一本书。It means there's a computer and a book on the desk. Perfect. Now, let's make this even more natural with short dialogues. 这儿有人吗？没有，你可以坐这儿。我能坐这儿吗？可以，不过桌子上有电脑和书。It means, can I sit here? Sure, but there's a computer and some books on the table. 请问我能坐这儿吗？当然可以。It means, excuse me, can I sit here? Of course. Awesome. These are friendly and natural ways to talk to people. Let's pay attention on some grammar tips. 有 to show existence. Structure like this. Place plus you plus thing. For example, 椅子上有包，桌子上有咖啡。和 it means and. For example, 电脑和书 computer and book. 水和咖啡 water and coffee. Simple and super useful. Okay, your turn. Ask me. Can I sit here in Chinese? Great. You said it so clearly. Well done. Now, try describing your table. Use the patterns. 桌子上有 Amazing. You are doing so well. You are becoming more polite, natural, and confident in Chinese every lesson. Being able to ask for permission and describe your surroundings is a huge skill, and you nailed it today. Keep going. I'm really proud of your progress. Great job, everyone. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and keep practicing with me. See you in the next class. 再见。